Hey you guys, it's your girl LouderCreates and thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a pair of shoes that I recently purchased. I just wanted to share what I purchased so you can get an idea of what it looks like if you're interested in purchasing. Reebok and Maison Margiela actually collabed to come out with a sneaker. So they call this collab, I'm reading it off the box, it's their Project Zero Club C85. So yeah, these shoes were definitely a bit of a splurge, but I was like, you know what, I've been wanting this, I made it through 2020, I deserve to splurge a little bit on myself. So the shoes are unisex, so I actually had to order, I guess, in my men's size. So I'm typically a size 8 in women's, and so I had to purchase a size 6.5 in men's. First of all, this is the box that they came in. This box is really nice. It has like a lot of sheen to it. Like it just feels like an expensive item is in this box, which is what I love to see, because for me, if I order something expensive, it's like I want the presentation. The presentation is just as important as the product inside. Maybe I'm extra for that, but anyways, presentation matters. So I was really glad to see this box. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the box actually comes with 2 dust bags, which I absolutely love. They are white sneakers, so they also come in black, but I purchased the white, and it's just really nice that they come with these to keep them nice and clean. From what I understand about the sneaker, the worn-in look for them also looks really good. So I just like the idea of keeping them protected from my other shoes in my closet and stuff. All right, so this is what the shoes are looking like. So very similar. I mean, it definitely is the Club C85, with the exception is that it has the Maison Margiela logo up here on the tongue of the shoe. What I really like is that all this detailing that you guys see is actually printed on. So usually the typical Club C85, it's like you'll see an actual stitch going across, but this is all just simply printed on. Even the holes up front here, it's all printed on. There's not actually holes in there, which I think was really, really cool. And same with the Reebok logo on here. Again, it's simply printed onto the shoe itself. And on the back, the Reebok logo as well is also printed on. Another cool thing about these shoes is that it's actually all one piece of leather on the shoe, where typically with the Club C85s, it's multiple pieces of leather actually brought together. So this, it's like a single, just one piece of leather. With the exception of this little piece on the back, the rest of the shoe is actually just all one piece of leather. And I'll go ahead and hold up your typical Club C85 sneakers next to it. These are actually printed on, whereas these actually have holes in them. And these have been worn, so they're creased, but yeah, and then same with the stitching. So you'll see that these is printed on, whereas on your normal Club C85s here, you have the physical stitch going across it, and you have multiple pieces of leather. Like you have this piece of leather, and then you have this attached on top, and same with the sides, and then same with even this part of the shoe with the laces on it. All of this, you guys see it's different pieces, whereas on this one, it's just all one single piece of leather. So these also have the Margiela logo tag on the inside of the sneaker as well. On the sole of the shoe, you'll see the Maison Margiela Paris, and then also with the Reebok logo as well. I also really like how this part of the shoe is also very soft and fuzzy. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what these shoes look like, if it's worth the hype and stuff. I definitely think they're a really nice pair of shoes. We're really just gonna have to see how these shoes age. This is definitely the most expensive shoe that I own in my closet, so I'm really hoping that it ages well and that it lasts me for years and years to come. If you have any questions, then please feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.